Everybody, I am here to go over the Bill of Rights with you. By the end of this video, you will have the Bill of Rights memorized. The Bill of Rights are the first 10 amendments of the United States Constitution, part of the deal between the Federalists and Anti-Federalists. The Anti-Federalists agreed to ratify the Constitution if the Federalists would add the Bill of Rights. These are where some of our most famous rights come from, such as the right to bear arms and the freedom of speech. In this video, I'm going to show you some easy hand signals to help you remember which rights go with which amendments and in which order. All right, here we go. We're going to go through all 10. So the first one, hold up one finger and you wrap it against your fist. Wraps. All right, freedom of religion, assembly, petition, press, and speech. Wraps. Second Amendment is the right to bear arms. So you take two fingers on each hand and you make claws like you're a bear. It's the right to bear arms. Third Amendment, you make a little quarter right here, your fingers, and you got three fingers up. Third Amendment is no quartering of soldiers. That meant that soldiers cannot force their way into private homes. For the Fourth Amendment, you hold up four fingers like this, close them over your thumb, and then knock on a door. The Fourth Amendment is no unreasonable searches or seizures. For the Fifth Amendment, take five fingers, put them over your mouth like this. The Fifth Amendment means you do not have to testify against yourself in a court of law. For the Sixth Amendment, take three fingers on each hand for a total of six, and then you're going to run as fast as you can. Sixth Amendment is the right to a speedy trial. For the Seventh Amendment, you're going to take one hand, lay it down flat like this. The other hand's going to have two fingers, and you're going to use it as a gavel. The Seventh Amendment is right to trial by jury. For the Eighth Amendment, going to get up and dance like a ballerina. In class, I make a student who's misbehaving get up and dance in a figure eight, and that is considered unusual punishment, if not necessarily cruel. But the Eighth Amendment, dancing in a figure eight here, and your arms kind of make an eight too, is no cruel or unusual punishment. For the Ninth Amendment, take nine fingers and put them to yourself. All rights not listed are guaranteed to the people. This is kind of like a catch-all amendment that guarantees any right not specifically listed goes to the people. For the 10th Amendment, you push away from yourself. All powers not listed are given to the states. That's the 10th Amendment. All powers not listed are given to the states. So one more time so you can see them all. Wraps, freedom of religion, assembly, petition, press, and speech. Second Amendment is the right to bear arms. Third Amendment is no quartering of soldiers. Fourth Amendment, no unreasonable searches and seizures. The Fifth Amendment, you do not have to testify against yourself in court. Third Amendment is the right to a speedy trial. The Seventh Amendment, right to trial by jury. The Eighth Amendment, no cruel or unusual punishment. The Ninth Amendment, all rights not listed belong to me. They belong to the people. 10th Amendment, all powers not listed are pushed to the states. So those are the first 10 amendments, collectively known as the Bill of Rights. We will be practicing these in class. If you're at home for whatever reason, you'll want to practice and memorize these, as they will be on a quiz and the end of unit test coming up.